Hi there. Thanks so much for stopping by Jami Jo Sells Wax here on YouTube. I am your host, Jami Jo. And like I said, I am so excited that you decided to stop by because I have something really exciting to talk about today. Friends, I have been a Scentsy consultant for over 15 years. I started all the way back in October of 2008. And I started with the $99 starter kit. Now, back in 2008, we only had a handful of products. We had the Scentsy warmers and wax, of course. That is the bread and butter of our business. We also had the circles. They're now called scent circles. They were called car candles then. And I believe we had room sprays. I really think that's probably it as far as product line goes. And our kit was $99. Fast forward 15 years down the road, we are now here in January of 2024, and guess how much that starter kit is? $99, friends. Scentsy has expanded their product line into so many different things, but that starter kit is still just $99. Now, here's something that's really super fun for January of 2024. If you decide to jump on your very own Scentsy journey this month, Scentsy is going to gift you a brand new product. Guys, I am the top level of the company, and I have not even had my hands on these yet. I've heard rumors of them, but I have not got to touch, see, or feel them yet. I'm going to show you a picture of our starter kit right here. This is everything that you get when you start a Scentsy journey for that $99 starter fee. Now, don't worry about nitpicking this picture because I'm going to break it all down for you, but I wanted to go ahead and give you a little tease to see if you could figure out what the brand new product was, to see how much of a Scentsy fan you were, to know what maybe hasn't ever been available before. So let's go through this Scentsy starter kit to see everything that you get for that $99. Hang out with me because I'm going to show you what that new product is if you decide to start this month. Of course, if you're a Scentsy consultant, you have to have a Scentsy warmer. Now, a lot of people are already familiar with Scentsy. They're already Scentsy addicts when they get started. But would you believe that some people jump on board without ever trying our products? It happens, and those people are super successful as well. Well, we want to make sure that you have one of our signature items when you get started on your Scentsy journey. So you are going to get the classic curve in gray. I'm so excited that they decided to put this warmer in the starter kit. When I first started, it was just random pick of what warmer you would get. And trust me when I say that some warmers are very specific to a certain person. Let's say maybe a warmer with a trout on it. That would be silly for me to get because I don't trout fish. Never been trout fishing. That would be crazy. If I were to get a golf warmer, that would be crazy. And that's what was happening way back in the day. But now they've decided that every single new consultant is going to get the classic curve in gray. You cannot have a warmer without having the wax to put in it. So Scentsy is going to give you our two top selling fragrance bars. This is Black Raspberry Vanilla, our top selling bar of all time, forever and always with Scentsy. And then Luna, another one that is a customer favorite that everyone seems to love. So you're gonna get 2 bars of wax. Now here's the cool thing with these products, guys. You can use them, you can try them out because we want you to know the products that you're sharing with your friends. But if you're already familiar with Scentsy fragrance, you can sell these for the retail amount. So that warmer was $35. Those bars are $6 each. The next item is our mini fan diffuser. This has quickly become a customer favorite. a small version of our wall fan, but this is perfect for small workspaces. It's great for vehicles that have the USB port. So many places that you can use this mini wall fan diffuser. So that is another $15 value that you're gonna get in your kit. Of course, you're gonna need the pods to go with your mini fan. They're gonna give you the pods in Amazon Rain, which is a fabulous fragrance. This is a Scentsy pod. It's gonna sit right on top of that mini fan diffuser. The fan will blow past those scented beads and put off fragrance. The pods are also what we use in the wall fan diffuser there. The air purifier right there. A Scentsy Go also uses pods. So many items now use pods. Moving on to what else you get. Oh, $10 value. Moving on to what else you get. Our counter clean in vanilla mint. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that I call this magic in a bottle because that's exactly what it is. This is the best stain fighter and cleaner that you will ever get your hands on. And vanilla mint is such a yummy fragrance. Great choice by Corporate. You will get a car bar in Amazon Rain. Like I said, a great fragrance. I love this fragrance for my car. This free hangs from your rear view mirror. If you were to sell this, the price point is $6. And then you're gonna get a travel twist. You're actually gonna get the travel twist in Vanilla Bean Buttercream. I didn't have that one on hand, so I just grabbed one. It is just a plastic circle that you twist open. There is felt soaked in fragrance oil on the inside. The more you open it, the more fragrance you get. So you're gonna get that in Vanilla Bean Buttercream. That is a $7 value. Guys, right there, that is $95 worth of product. But wait, there's more. You guys remember those old infomercials? Guys, you're gonna get so many different business supplies. You're gonna get 4 sheets, or actually 4 packages of scented stickers. You're gonna get that in Coconut Lemongrass and Luna. Also oil scented sticker sheets in Eucalyptus Lavender Mint and Twinkle Twinkle. You will get a bundle of samples of different body products and laundry products for you to try. You're gonna get sample making kit, which includes felt sample pieces and the baggies that they can go in. Guys, you're gonna get this entire tester set. This is a fragrance tester of every single catalog fragrance for the fall and winter of 2024. This is a $35 value. So we are already well over the value of this kit. Of course, catalogs, product lists, brochures, postcards, sacks, order forms. Oh, and you get this really cool tote. Now, they have them in different colors. Might be a different color now. What I love about it is insulated. So that is fabulous if you live in an area like I do where it gets super hot in the summer. That is a great tote to take your stuff around. Okay, you've hung out with me long enough. I gave the teaser at the first. What is the brand new product that Scentsy is coming out with? Okay, it looks a little unassuming, but I'm so excited about this. We are now getting dryer sheets that will be added to our laundry line. Guys, we've already had the laundry liquid, we've had the washer whiffs, and we've had dryer discs. Now the dryer discs, of course, went in the dryer with your clothing, just like the dryer sheet is going to, but these dryer sheets are stepping up our game. The dryer discs were not really intended for anti-static or softness. They really were to just add more fragrance to your clothes. And we are going to keep the dryer discs, but we are adding in the dryer sheets. I have my info sheet here so I can make sure that you know all the really cool stuff about it. Dryer sheets are scented sheets that you add to the dryer. Hello, we know what a dryer sheet is, but it's gonna soften fabrics, fight static, and add fragrance. All 3 of those things in this tiny little sheet. It's going to combat static in your dryer, soften fabrics, and help release wrinkles and add world-class, long-lasting fragrance. Of course it is. It's Scentsy. Of course. You guys know how to use a dryer sheet. You just toss this in your dryer. They are single use, and then you throw it away. We have not been told the price point on a box of dryer sheets yet, but there's going to be 80 sheets in a box, and they will be out the next catalog season. So available March 1st to purchase. But friends, Did you hear me at the first of this video? If you jump on board this month, you are going to get a box of the dryer sheets in your starter kit. That is so, so exciting. I can't even get my hands on these yet. I'm so jealous of anyone that snags those up this month. Guys, if you're ready to jump on board right now, I would love to be your sponsor and your mentor. Sponsor, I said that weird. Sponsor and mentor. You can just go to jamijosellswax.com. Up at the top, there's a button that says Getting Started. That's going to take you through all of the steps. If you guys have any questions about being a Scentsy consultant, I would love to answer them for you. I have quite a few different videos on starting your own Scentsy journey. You can check those out. You can ask any questions you want in the comments of this video. Find me on social media. I'm on Facebook and on Instagram. Both of those are under Jami Jo Sells Wax. Or guys, if you want to cut all that middle work and just text me direct, I'd be happy to answer you there too. Text me at 918-888-9690, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about starting your very own Scentsy journey. Guys, I am so, so, so excited about this, and I would love to help you get started and help you achieve your goals, whatever that might be. My name is Jami Jo, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. I hope that you have a sensational day.